Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. For safety reasons, you're going to remove the power cord. And you're going to want to turn off the gas line. This project will be replacing the idler pulley on a Maytag Atlantis gas dryer. Tools needed is a 5/16 socket or a nut driver and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, first thing we want to do is remove the door. And that's 2 Phillips screws to remove. That's 1 and 2. Now remove the door and remove 2 Phillips screws on the other side. 1 and 2. Now kind of twist the top of that panel off and remove it. Now we're going to remove these bracket, upside down L shape with a 5/16 nut driver or a socket. And just slide off and remove it. And the right side, you're going to do the same thing. Now we're going to remove 5/16 screws from the bulkhead. There's 4 that need to be removed. Two stays on, and 4 needs to be removed. Left side, 2nd and 4th screws should be removed. Right side, 3rd and 4th should be removed. These are 5/16 screws. And the reason why you're leaving the other 2 in, it keeps the bulkhead together instead of taking it apart. Big problem when you try to deal with it when it's not together. Slide it on out. Now we're going to disengage the belt from the idler pulley. That's the outside view. This is the inside view. Push the pulley over far to the left and slide it off, and want to pull the drum out. And your drum is removed. Okay, now to take the idler pulley off, there's a screw, 5/16 screw that needs to be removed. So you're going to get the socket or a drive, it's up to you, and remove that screw that mounts the pulley into place. Okay, you're going to unhook the spring in the back of the pulley. It's unhooked now. Now reapply the spring onto it to install it, and slot the front, line it up with the screw, hand tighten the screw at the beginning, adjust it, get it straight, make sure that spring is on. Now hand tighten it. And then you can start tightening it up clockwise. Tighten it real tight. Test the pulley to make sure it's free. Okay, it's free. All right, we're in good shape there. Now the idler pulley has been installed. That's your marking for your belt. Slide the belt over the drum. Put the belt right where the markings is of the old belt. Slide it in. Lift it in, put it in position. And here's the inside view. Drum is slid in and lined properly. Belt is right in the area of there. Loop the belt around the motor pulley and bring the idler pulley all the way to the left with your left hand and wrap that around the far side of the belt. And you're in business. Right here is where the front panel slides underneath the drum. That part goes underneath the drum. So right up underneath that, when you're putting that front panel on, make sure it's underneath the drum. Make sure the lower part of that front panel goes in first, not the higher part. The lower part goes in first, the housing. And then align the front panel up. 4 screws, 5/16. You can use your nut driver or your socket set. Righty tighty. Remember to like, follow on YouTube and Facebook, Appliance Flipper. Okay. Okay, now we're putting the brackets in to secure the lid. That's a 5/16 screw. Tighten that down. That left side is tightened down and secure now. Go to the right side. Always make sure the bracket is turned outwards. Make sure it's turned outwards. Okay, 5/16. All right. Now we're putting the front panel on. Slide into the slots at the bottom, kind of twist it. Okay, 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right. Slide the door, put the hinges into the slots, put his dryer, and then put those 2 screws in. And your door is mounted now. We'll have many more videos on how to repair appliances. Remember to like, share, and comment on YouTube as well as Facebook. Follow and comment. That's Appliance Flipper. Appliance Flipper Facebook and Appliance Flipper to YouTube. Have a good one.